I told you guys I was going to videotape this. It's made by Hooke Road. It's going to be the carriage rack on the top of my Jeep. And they said it takes about an hour and a half to put together. I have already got 3, 6, 8, 10 bolts in, and it's been quite the learning experience. Where we at today, honey? Not really good directions, but we'll just keep working on it, and we'll show you guys what it looks like when I get done. If you're wondering what the bucket's for, I got all my nuts and bolts in there so I don't lose them. This corner right over here, this was a return. This back corner here, this piece right here was bent in about, I'd say, 1/8 of an inch, and this wouldn't fit properly. So I just took the sledge and I knocked this out, made it square, and that fit properly. I got $50 off. But now that I've got all the nuts and bolts laid out, it appears they shorted me a lot of the nuts, so I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and get about 10 or 12 nuts. I'll just take one with me and get the same thread. So we're going to work on it. We're going to get it together. What are you doing, My? Come here, Miley. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? You want to help me? You want to help me? You want to help me? I got this for two reasons. It's going to make the Jeep look better, and if you've ever had a Jeep or been inside of a Jeep, the inside of a Jeep gets full pretty quick, so I can put my totes of wood up here, or may even get an outside storage container, a hard shelf storage container put up there. But I can put my wood up there, my totes, whatever I don't want to put in the Jeep. So these things are very, they've also got 2 lights up here in the front that's got 5 LED lights that shine out towards the front, and I can attach more lights to the top if I want to. We're planning on a nighttime hike next weekend. Me and a friend and my grandson's going camping, and we're going to plan a nighttime hike, so we may need the lights, but you never know. time. They said to plan on about 1.5 hours to put this together. I was probably 30 minutes into it when I remembered I was going to film it. Okay, the third bolt in, 1, 2, 3, is not going in properly. It's not the bolts, because I've tried different bolts. So what I'm going to have to do is drill that hole out and go ahead and put a nut on that one. But I'm not going to send it back for that. You know, 80% of the people that start a video don't even watch it this long. I don't know how long this video is, maybe 3 to 4 minutes at this point. But a lot of times the most important part of the video is after the 3 or 4 minute mark. 62 now, I'll be 63 next month. Getting to the age where it starts catching up with you, wearing on you, your joints, you know, back when I was young, I bench pressed 300 pounds. I didn't run a lot, but I ran a high of 10 miles on Saturday, and I ran 3, 3, 5, and 10 throughout the week. But I guess it's probably more vanity than anything. Now my right hip is wore out, my right knee is wore out, it's had surgery. I take a drug called Mobic to help with the pain, and it does help. I just got bad news on a Cologuard. I had my first colonoscopy at the age of 50, and I had a Cologuard at 57 that was normal, negative, and my most recent Cologuard was positive, and so now I have to see a gastroenterosurgeon 23rd of June. So not all news is good news. So I guess it's how we roll with it. But as we age, we're going to get bad news sometimes. We're going to finally get the bad news that we're not going to get better. So it's important that if we take every day and make as much out of it as we can. I encourage you, if you are running them distances or lifting that weight, my left shoulder is shot. I tore my bicep right here. I don't know whether you can see it, but there's a line right there where my bicep tore and ripped away right there. And that was just lifting about 125 pounds. So, but I may have weakened it by all the years of weightlifting and doing them curls and doing them bench presses. So out of vanity, we try to make ourselves look the best we can, but that's not always the most important thing. The most important thing is just being a good person, and I have God in my life, and I know whatever happens to me is in His plan. So I guess I can't fight it. Whatever happens, I have to trust in God and Jesus, my Savior. So just wanted to sit down and talk a little bit. I'm resting. I've been working on that. It's hot out here today, and I've almost got it put together. I have to wait for Chad to come back. He's going to help me set it up on the roof, and I got to figure out how it connects to the roof. So yeah, vanity, it's not important. It's what you got in here. And if people can't like you for what you got in here, then you don't need them in your life. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about that, and kind of steered away a little bit from the install. We're going to get the install done. It's what it's in here counts, okay? Thanks for listening. Well, you guys, we got it up there. Don't look too bad. I don't have it bolted down yet. In the back here, use your existing bolts, 2 right here, 2 over there for the back, and then it's got on the side here, and it hooks right on here. So, but it's thundering right now. Look at that. And it's going to rain any minute, so I'm going to have to wait and put the bolts on tomorrow, bolt it down tomorrow. Looks good. I like that. Dresses it up. And plus now I can put totes up there, I can put wood up there, anything I need to put up there, relieve the congestion inside the Jeep. All right. Camping with Endless Weekends. Please like, subscribe, and smash the bell. Bye-bye.